Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get and watch Patreon content for free. We will need an application called Unlock Private. Just enter the name of the creator whose content you would like to see and move on. I cannot, of course, show this to you for copyright reasons. Once you have moved on, you will have access to the content completely free of charge. I'll walk you through every step of the process so you can unlock everything too. Be sure to watch the whole video so you don't miss any important details. Grab your device and let's get started. To start, let's ensure our settings are optimized. First, open your device's settings. Navigate to Battery and verify that the low power mode option is unchecked. This is crucial to prevent any negative impact on the app's performance, so it's important to keep it turned off. Next, go back to the settings menu and select General. From there, tap on Background App Refresh. Ensure that either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi mobile data is selected. This allows the app to refresh content in the background, ensuring smooth functionality. Once you have completed the initial checks, we can proceed. Open your browser and navigate to tweakoapp.com, a trusted site that hosts various modded applications. Search for Unlock Private and select it from the results. A detailed page will appear with information such as the number of downloads and community ratings. Click on the Download Now button, and the system will begin downloading the app. This process is quick, and you should soon see a confirmation message indicating a successful installation. If you are using our site for the first time, you will have to perform one more step. It is very quick, easy, and of course free. You will be taken to a verification page where you will have to install apps from the App Store or Play Store. There will be a tutorial on the site showing how to do everything exactly. Once this step is completed, installation will start immediately. In my example, the verification was successful and the app was downloaded, and you can see it on the screen. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video to the end. If you liked the video and everything is working for you, leave a like and subscribe to my channel to follow more content like this. If you have any problems or questions, feel free to write in the comments and I'll be happy to help you. Thank you and see you next time.